Listen to my heart go.
Hi Curlfriends, NaturallyRonda here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's wash and go, I decided to use Creme of Nature's Perfect 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. Detangles and conditions, heat protectant, breakage defense, controls frizz, moisturizes dry hair, prevents split ends, and adds exotic shine. What makes it exotic? And I will top it off with one of my favorites, Wet Line Xtreme Gel. So I'm not even gonna ramble. I'm gonna get right into the video because y'all know I like to talk a lot. So let's just get on to it. All right, per usual, I'm starting off on clean, detangled hair. First, my handy dandy spray bottle of water. And this is the Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco, Perfect 7. I'm not sure if I mentioned that it was with Argan oil before. I'm gonna go in with, this is about 5 sprays, and this is what it looks like. So I don't know, because I don't remember looking at my hair before, but I don't know if my hair already had this little shine to it or if it's this. And this is what it's looking like with just the Creme of Nature. I'm gonna top that with my wet line. Going in for a little more. And this is just basically what I'm gonna do over my entire head. I'm going to do leave-in gel, leave-in gel, leave-in gel through all of my sections and subsections. And this was my first time using this combination together, but it really seems to be blending in beautifully. So if there are any mishaps or hiccups, then I'll come back. But if not, I'll come back once all the product is in.
Yeah, I gotta be real with it. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. Feelings so deep in my feelings. No, it ain't even like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Look, the new me is really still the real me. I swear you got.
Okay, so the product is all in. This is what it looks like wet. I'm going to go sit under my hooded dryer and I will be back with the results. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is pretty much dry and these are my results.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. Listen to my heart go. Put up, hey. Put up.
I love it. I really do. As far as I'm concerned, Wet Line Xtreme Gel is the best gel out there. It's amazing. I love it. You can't beat the price. You can't beat the quality. You can't beat the results. Like, now I know that there are some people who are sticklers about ingredients and they might have issues with that. I'm not 100% if this is curly girl friendly, but honey, with these results, I love it. I'm good. Here we have another installment of Wash and Go Wednesdays. I love you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
It just won't stop.